Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Yes, welcome to a new day, day 31, and today's date is 5th of June 2020. Let us begin our this new day, new bright beautiful day, okay? First of all, join your hands and close your eyes, everyone. Om Bhurbhuvat Swaha Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Everyone, rub your palms. Slowly keep your palms on your eyes. Rub your eyes and open it. Yes, everyone is feeling fresh now. Very good. First of all, open your homeworks, everyone. Okay, let us tell you our answer. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. 7 minus 0 equals to 7. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. And last was 6 minus 3 equals to 3. How many of you are done right? किसका right है? Very good. Chalo, take out your textbook now. Okay, yesterday we had done subtracting numbers. And today we are going to do a new topic. That is subtracting from 10. Subtracting from 10. On page number 6060. On page number 6060. Write down class work and date on the top. Today's date is 5th of June 2020. Write down 5-6-20. Done? Okay. What is meant by subtracting from 10? Means we have to subtract one number from 10. There will be given any number we have to subtract from. Yes, number 10. So first question. 10 ants are standing in a row. How many ants are standing in a row? 10. One ant goes away. एक ant चली गई. Then how many ants are left? 10 थी, उसमें से एक चली गई, तो कितनी बची? Here you are given which method? Yes, number bond method. If there were 10, one goes. How many are remaining? 10 minus 1 equals to 9. So we can say that 9 ants are left. Understood? Let us go to second question. There are 10 leaves on a branch. There were 10 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 leaves. 4 are blown away. 4 blown away हो गए, मतलब हवा से उड़ गए. तो यहाँ पे कितने बचे? How many leaves are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because these leaves are blown away. So if we subtract 4 from 10, that is 10 minus 4, we get number 6. So it is written here 10 minus 4 equals to 6. And what was the question asked to you? How many leaves are left? So we can say that 6 leaves are left. Then everyone, let us go to exercise 5. In exercise 5, what is the question? Only one question is given here, okay? Subtract and fill in correct number. You may make blocks and cross out. आप यहाँ पे blocks बना के फिर cross कर सकते हो, okay? There are how many question? 8 question given over here, okay? And if you don't want to make blocks, मैं आपको एक नई method सिखाने वाली हूँ अभी, okay? First is 10 minus 1. So what you can do, you are having 10 fingers on your hand. Just stick out your hand and 10 fingers. You are having 10 fingers, right? So what we have to do? 10 minus 1. So we will minus 1 finger. Here are 10 fingers. We will minus 1. Then how many fingers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we can say that 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Write down 9. Done. Next is 10 minus 2. So take out your 10 fingers and minus 2 fingers. 1 and 2. So how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we can say that 10 minus 2 equals to 8. Now you know finger method? Very good. Next is 10 minus 3. Do it by yourself. Take out your 10 fingers and minus 3 fingers. 10 minus 3 equals to, yes, 7. Next is 10 minus 4. Do it. Take out your 10 fingers and minus 4. So answer will come, yes, 6. Next is 10 minus 5. Take out your 10 fingers and minus 5. So answer will be 5. Next is 10 minus 6. Answer will come 4. Next is 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals to 3. And last is 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 equals to, yes, 10. If we minus 0 from any number, we will get the same number. So 10 minus 0 equals to 10. Done. Come on page number 61. Page number 61. That is solving word problem. Write down classwork and today's date on the top. We had solved word problem in addition also. In same way we have to solve word problem in subtraction. So let us go to first question directly. There are 6 gift boxes. How many gift boxes are there? 6. 1 box is taken away. See, the girl is taking 1 box. Then how many gift boxes are left? See, first we will assume 6 blocks. And now we will cut off 1. So 6 minus 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that 6 minus 1 equals to 5. See, here it is given vertically. So we can say that 5 boxes are left. See the fact zone. When we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is the number just before. उसके just पहले वाला नंबर वही आंसर होता है. 6 minus 1. So 6 से पहले क्या आता है? Yes, 5. So 5 is the answer. Let us go to second question. There are 5 children. There are 5 children over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 of them are boys. From these 5 children, 1, 2 and 3 are boys. Then how many girls are there? 1 and 2. If we cut 3 from 5, see, there are 5 blocks over here and we had cut 1, 2 and 3. So how many are left? 2. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. See, here it is given vertically. So the answer is there are 2 girls. How many girls? 2 girls. Let us come to exercise 6. First question. There are 7 frogs in the pond. In the pond there are 7 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are 6 and 7? They are here. So 2 frogs came out. 2 frog बाहर आ गए. Then how many frogs are left? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Only 5 are left because 2 are outside here. आपको दिख रहे ये दोनों? So we can write like 7 minus 2 came out. So 7 minus 2 equals to 5. And we can say that 5 frogs are left. How many frogs are left? 5. Written, everyone? Okay, come on page number 62. Turn the page. This was exercise 6, question 1. Come on page number 62. On page number 62 there are 3 questions, 2, 3 and 4. You can see these 3 questions. Okay, these 3 questions are in homework. So write down homework, and today's date is 5th of June 2020. You have to do question number 2, 3 and 4. ये तीनों क्वेश्चन आप किस में करने हैं? Yes, homework में करने हैं. Okay, today we will keep till here. Bye, have a nice day.